Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty making from Naio Nails. In this video we are going to do star nails for our star, Andrea.
Yeah. Well, my mum says I'm a bloody star.
Well, there you are. You are a star.
Yeah, star.
You're a right star.
You're a star, you are. Yeah.
And we're going to use acrylic and we're going to do a cutting out effect. So it's quite a flat nail here. I'm going to put the centre tab on its side to create a flat area there so it fits a little bit better. So I've already prepped Andrea's nails by removing the surface shine, and we're going to do a stiletto shaped nail as well. I'm going to dehydrate with the nail prep dehydrator, and then we're going to prime, and this is a acid primer. I'm getting quite a small bead just to build out this stress point, because I don't want the form to move while I do my cutting. And adding just that little bead will help everything stay really streamlined. Just going to give it some support. I've got high speed liquid in my dampen dish, and there I've got top banana, which is super bright, as you can see on the screen. I'm going to pick up a bead of top banana, place it here. Now you need enough to be able to cut out a star. I'm going to dip into the top banana powder so I don't stick. So the product doesn't stick, not me. It's not about me sticking. And I'm going to cut into that a star shape. Using a craft knife. And we're going to drag off those sections we've cut it out. Ooh, that wasn't quite cut all the way. So we got a little star. And Andrea was saying earlier, it's like the stars that we used to have on the ceiling, like the glow in the dark stars, especially with this colour because it's so goddamn bright. Now, out of the glitter set, the iridescent shapes, we have some stars, so I'm going to use those as well because they're so pretty. And then I'm going to use this glitter or mylar, and then we've got a green one as well. Picking up a clear bead, nice and thin. While that's wet, we're going to add little bits of the mylar and also the stars. I'm going to pick the stars up with a bead of clear, press them in. I want to jam pack this with glitter and stars, but you can notice they're all like a transparent colour, so the star itself stands out. Now, if they won't sit flat, you can get some backing paper from the sculpting form and just wrap that around the nail, and that'll hold it flat. without sticking to anything. So we're going to fill the rest of the nail with the stars and the mylar. You don't want to go over the star that we've cut out. You want to make sure that can be seen. Once you've got all your stars and your mylar, you can then cap everything in the clear. I'm going to pinch this nail now. Take the form off. Right, so I'm going to file this nail as I normally do, doing my side walls first, coming straight out of the side wall. Going to go around the cuticle area with an electric file. I've had to bulk it out a bit because of all the stars in there. So I want to make sure I don't have to over file it and end up cutting Andrea. Don't worry if you file through some of your mylar or stars, it'll be perfectly fine. Right, now I can contour the nail now. That's flat. So on this nail, what we're going to put on is, look at these bad boys. Star gems. Perfect. So we're going to put some star gems on. We're going to use the Acrygel to put them on. So gel residue wipe off solution on your brush. Damp it down and then you can move the Acrygel around. Place it exactly where you want it. Going to scoop off that bit of excess. Then we're going to top coat. So you don't cure that Acrygel. The Acrygel is going to act as like a bonding agent. So because it's thicker than top coat, it'll hold the gem in place. So when you press into it, you can see how it surrounds the stone with Acrygel and also top coat. Well, then we might get another one on here. Maybe not. I think that's a little bit too much. Yes, I'm saying that. I'll put some little stones there. Pop me that into the lamp. There's a little bit of gel there. We want to get rid of that.
Gel?
Yeah, like
Dripped round.
Yeah, dripped round, yeah. So I'm coming underneath with the top coat. Gonna pop that in the lamp upside down for me. Gonna finish with some cuticle oil. Gonna itch my nose. Rub that in. Look at that. Cut out star. I especially like the burst of star gems going into the star.
Love it.
Kind of a bit like a shooting star. Like it.
Love it.
There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything I've used today will be listed below. And I'll see you in the next video. We might be doing some more stars.